This video wasn't made using Google VO3, but with Tencent Hunyuan.
This video was not made using Google VO3. It was created with a free AI video generator, Tencent Hunyuan.
Want to try Tencent AI video? Check out this tutorial.
Tencent's Hunyuan, your new AI video generator. Tencent, the tech giant from China, has launched Hunyuan, an artificial intelligence tool specifically designed to create videos from text prompts or images. This allows you to instantly transform your ideas or photos into video clips. This Chinese AI video generator is equipped with advanced features like lip sync, synchronizing lip movements with sound, action templates, mimicking movements from references, and even a director mode for more precise, detailed control. As for quality, there's no doubt the generated videos can reach high resolutions of up to 2K. Below is a tutorial on how to use Tencent's AI video generator, Hunyuan. Don't worry, the process is quick and doesn't require technical expertise. Let's get started. First step, easy free access. First, prepare an active email address. You don't need to fill out long forms or provide a phone number. Open the official Tencent Hunyuan website. Once on the page, click the large button that says Try It Now. Select the email icon, enter your email address, then click to send a verification code. Immediately check your inbox, copy the code, and paste it into the verification field. By default, the Hunyuan interface is in Mandarin. To make navigation easier, you can activate your browser's automatic translation feature or use your phone camera with a real-time translation app. Next step, start creating videos with Tencent's AI generator. Now for the most exciting part, you can choose two ways to create videos. Text to video. Write a description of the video you want in the prompt field. Image to video. Upload an image as a reference, then write the desired animation command. After processing, you will receive a notification. All your created videos will be saved in the Assets menu and can be directly downloaded or shared on social media. Honest review, pros and cons of Hunyuan. After trying to create about 8 videos with various features, here's a balanced review based on direct experience. Pros: 100% free with no token systems, credits, or hidden fees. Premium features like lip sync and director mode are available for free. Excellent video quality, supporting resolutions up to 2K. Generated videos can be downloaded via the Assets menu. Cons: video duration is still limited, around 5 seconds, similar to other platforms. Processing time can be quite long, between 4 to 11 minutes, depending on the feature and server queue. The Mandarin interface requires a bit of effort to translate. Generated assets might be deleted after some time. In my case, the storage duration was 1 day. Conclusion: is Tencent Hunyuan worth trying? The answer is absolutely yes. For anyone who needs a free, practical, and feature-rich AI video creation platform, Hunyuan can be a reliable choice. Although there are limitations in terms of duration and waiting time, its comprehensive features and high-quality video output without any cost make it one of the best options in its class right now. That concludes the guide on how to use Tencent's AI video generator in Hunyuan, along with a simple review for 2025. Be sure to check their official website for the latest features.